Hello everyone, this is Natassa Blazaki from Art Recipes and More, and today I have a very special video. I'm going to unbox my super cool gift that I got from G45. This was my prize for the challenge G45 party. For all of you Graphic 45 lovers, all this is so familiar. These are Squarecraft tags. I love those. Oh, they're little cute ones. Trading tags with a ring binder as well. Gorgeous key embellishments. These are metal brads and they are so beautiful. This is an 8x8 pad, Winter Wonderland, the collection. With assorted chipboard, of course, cardstock die cuts, and ephemera cards, of course. This is from another collection, again an 8x8 pad. This is Little Women collection. Such a romantic collection. Oh, those beautiful colors. Amazing designs, wonderful colors. You all know how everything coordinates perfectly, with assorted ephemera cards as well, and chipboard and sticker sheet. A collection pack, Imagine. The collection is called Imagine. This comes with the chipboards, the collection pack, and the patterns and solids, which you all know how wonderful they are, and especially when making a mini album. Has a sticker sheet inside. Beautiful vintage pink and blue colors. I love that all collections come with the templates. These are so handy. They can help you create cards, tags, many tags. Amazing. This is magical. I love, oh my god, those flowers. So many opportunities for fancy cutting. And there is more. This is a deluxe collector's edition, and the collection is placed in time. Goodness, look at those beautiful designs. Amazing. And a sticker sheet. You all know this collection can make a wonderful calendar from January till December. It's so beautiful. And last but not least, Tropical Travelogue collection in a deluxe edition with chipboards and sticker sheet. I'm definitely gonna make some projects with these papers. So thank you so much. Bye bye.